Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. We've got a 2015 Ford F250 XLT crew cab short bed 6.7 Powerstroke. We're going to be cold starting it today. It is not 100% cold. It has moved around the shop, so as you can tell, we got a pretty large shop here, and also a good moment to show you guys the new shop. We're down in the West Bottoms now. We're no longer in Midtown. We're down in the West Bottoms, right where I-70 meets I-35. So truck's been inside all night, but it has been moved around in the shop here, so it's not ice cold. But I mean, you'll see when we start her up. Super nice truck, you can tell. Matter of fact, we're going to go over the cosmetics and modifications before we start it, just because we are inside, so it makes more sense so it's not running as long. We've got paint to match fender flares on here, Oxford White Z1. It's got the power folding mirrors from the factory that are paint to match. We've got a set of custom Oracle Halo color shift headlights that are Bluetooth controlled. And as far as wheel and tire goes, we've got a 22 by 12 Cali Summit black and milled. That's a polished black and a milled silver look on a 35 1250 22 amp terrain gripper tire. Wheels and tires are brand new, 0 miles on them. All the accessories are freshly painted, smoked out the headlights, smoked out the mirror caps. We've got smoked tail lights on it, LED third brake. All in all, this is a super nice truck. It's a one owner rig, fleet maintained, bone stock sans the cosmetic modifications that you're seeing. Truck has no rust. It's actually a pretty straight old truck. Got a little bit of surface starting down there. I guess I can't say no rust, but extremely clean for the age and miles. Higher miles on this truck, I think 220, 230. But as you can see, it does not look that way. And it still drives like a 2015. I've actually had my 24-foot camper behind it a couple of times, and you can't even feel it back there. You just put the exhaust brake on and this thing glides. Chrome rear bumper, FX4 off-road package. Now it is an XLT, but it does have the tech package. So you're gonna see a backup camera. It kicks on, it works, but it gives me a blue screen. So something's happening with that. Full trailer tow package. Truck's never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck in it, to my knowledge. I don't see any holes drilled in the bed for either. Stock truck still takes DEF fluid, still has a DPF. Never been tuned or deleted. Original exhaust. We did black out the tail lights. They have a very nice polished smoke look. All in all though, this truck's clean. There's no real damage. You're gonna see minor dings in it, like just a little tiny scratch there, dent. All in all though, super clean. It does have the locking boxes underneath the seats here, which is cool, so that way you can lock your items under the seats and no one can access them. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, got an exhaust brake. Does have Microsoft Sync, so you can hook your phone up and get your Pandora and your phone calls all wirelessly through the sync there. Seat belts for 6 in the cab. Center seat folds up to a 6 seat. Yeah, you do got a little, actually, that comes right off. That's just dirt. I'm lying to you. But all in all, very clean truck. The wheels have negative 51 offset, so as we look, they line up pretty nice with the fender flare. They do stick out a little bit. And that's a 40,000 mile warranted tire, that terrain gripper. So you're getting 35s that are brand new and still under warranty. Any kind of sidewall failure or anything like that, we honor them. We'll get you a new set of rubbers, replace whatever goes wrong. We take care of you guys. See if I can do it while I'm recording. This is actually a Bluetooth app on my phone that controls the color of these headlights, so you can change them and they all look pretty cool. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to toggle between applications here and show you guys, but they do all the colors of the rainbow. You can have them strobe, you can have them do pretty much anything you want. Or if you don't like them, you just turn them off. That's simple. But they are black housing headlights. Let's pop the hood and look under there real quick before we get inside and start her up. Like I said, it is a stock truck, 6.7 Powerstroke. Never been tuned, chipped, deleted. Still has an EGR, a DPF, and DEF fluid. Okay. Truck's got nice coolant in it. Nothing mixed. No pressure in that top hose, which is what we like to see. No check engine lights, nothing weird, no smoking, tons of power. I mean, it's a 2015. The truck's only a few years old. They put some miles on it, but it's only a couple years old. It still runs and drives like a new truck. It does have remote start, keyless entry, power seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. The mirrors are those nice ones too. We'll go through them here. Mileage is 236,021. 236,021. And I don't know if you can tell, but truck's still cold. I mean, neither of the temps are registering, but like I said, it's not ice cold. We've moved it around today, so. On the mirrors here, like I said, they are the power extending kind, so you can send them all the way out if you're towing, bring them in if you're not. Both sides work perfectly. And then you can also fold them for those tight parking places so no one's chipping up your nice painted to match mirrors. Huge perk for me. Sound system, like I said, it's Microsoft Sync from the factory. Where's the power button? There we go. Good tunes. No auxiliary jack, but it does have your 12-volt charger there. Upfitter switches down low. Trailer brakes. Exhaust brake, which is definitely a cool little add-on to have. AC and heat both work great. You got two cup holders in the center console. You got two that drop out down here. So windows are tinted up front, all around actually. 20% window tint all the way around. Like I said, it does have remote start. We'll get out and listen to it while it's running. So doesn't make any funny noises or do anything weird. Honestly, guys, this is a super cool truck. It's just hop in it and drive it type deal. Everything's been taken care of. Anything it's needed, we've given it. Missouri safety inspected. We've kind of covered everything we've done to it, so just wanted to get you guys a feel for this truck. I don't think we'll have it too long. I mean, heck, it's one of the cheapest 2015s you're going to see out there. And condition's amazing, so. It's not new though. Obviously with those miles, you're gonna find some little dings. I didn't even see this one. I walked past it. There's a little bit of paint peelage there and a chip, so. Tailgate's not flawless. Got a couple little dingers. And it is, like I said, huge add-on that this thing has. Oh, we threw in some DEF fluid too. I don't know what that stuff is. I think people put it in their trucks. I'm just joking. It's rare we have a fully intact emissions truck here, but it's got the step there. That way you can get up into your tailgate nice and easy. And roof's good shape. See, we got the red, white, and blue trucks there. I'm just kind of curious what you guys think of the new shop. If you guys like it, if you like having the videos in here, if you think it's too much, not good enough, take it outside. What do you think? Let me know. If the pictures look good, always curious on your input and feedback. But 816 Diesel is the name of the shop. We're down here in the West Bottoms in Kansas City, Missouri. Head on over to the website 816diesel.com. On the website, you're going to find VIN number, pics, HD pictures of this truck. I just took them before the video. Modifications, pricing, any bit of service we did, it's all on the website, 816diesel.com, including my contact information, so head on over there. Again, my name's Cameron. Cell phone is 913-735-3748. Let me know what I can do to help, and I appreciate all your guys' time, and thank you very much. Look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great rest of your day out there.